Okay guys, welcome back, man. So today I'm gonna show you guys a good thing that's popped out right now. I'm gonna show you guys how to clear the exhaust filter nearly full, safety, dry at consistent speed to clear it out. Okay, so again, all you gotta do is just keep driving to keep it clear. Okay, so let's do that right now. Okay, so right now it's a exhaust system regenerate and process, keep driving. So we gotta keep driving. Okay, here we go. So all we gotta do, we just gotta keep driving to clear them up. I'm only one hand driving and one hand, try to record it. So sorry about the shaking. It's kind of a little bit shaking though. Again, this, in order to clear it, we just gotta keep on driving. Consistent speed between 60 and 40. That's what I normally do, okay? So as long as your car keep rolling or driving. Again, every time that popped out like this, all you gotta do is just keep driving. And it should reset it by itself once that exhaust system it's regenerate, and it will reset it by itself. But again, you got to keep driving. Okay, again guys, all we got to do is just keep driving until it reaches, the system. It reached to a level where it can just clear by itself. So all you got to do is just got to keep driving to clear. Okay. Now we just got to keep driving. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Probably like what, 20-30 minutes. It could be less than that too. I forgot when was the last time that I was driving like this just to clear them up. I didn't keep track like how many hours or how many minutes, but it happens once again, and I just keep driving, but I forgot to record it, so this is the best time to record it so you guys can see. So that way when you guys got a car that need this kind of regenerate, that way you don't end up packing it, And again, I post this on YouTube so you guys can see it, so you guys don't have to go don't worry about dealer, it's gonna be waste your time, waste your money only. You can do it by yourself, Pretty much they're just gonna tell you to keep driving the same thing as I do right now. Again, this is a Jeep Wrangler 2021. Eco Diesel, okay? All you gotta do is just keep driving until it's clear. I didn't keep track the last time how many minutes, okay, in order to clear. So now this is like the time I do it. So I'm gonna record it and time it how many miles, how many minutes that I need to drive in order to clear. Again, that's gonna take a while to clear it, but we just gotta take a while to keep driving, so that way the system can regenerate just like this, and then just like this in the dashboard. As soon it should clear by itself. Again, guys, I'm only one hand driving and one hand trying to record it, so I'm sorry about the shaking, okay? Again, I don't know how long it's gonna take, but you guys can see right there that, you know, you guys gotta continue driving in order to clear or reset it. So that's exactly what we're doing right now. We're just gonna keep cruising around. Well, you know, keep on driving. It's gonna take a while, but again, you guys gotta be patient. Just keep driving. It's already be over like 6 minutes right now. You guys see that? Regenerate completed. That's how you do it, guys. That's how you guys do it, guys. Keep driving, and when it shows like this, it's good. All right, guys. Thank you, okay? I hope that solved you guys' problem, okay? Thanks for watching. Goodbye.